Feel better.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a tornado warning for north central Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 10:15 p.m. At 9:49 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Dublin, or 19 miles southeast of Allentown, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Bedminster, Tinicum, Dublin, Pipersville, Rowena, Oxville, and Lumberville. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 10:15 p.m. for the following county: Bucks, Pennsylvania,